Hello there. Decision is the basic need of everyone, whether wild or human being, to hunt or to be hunted, to survive or to kill, to go or not to go, to be or not to be, just like Hamlet of Shakespeare, who was confused in between two decisions. Today I'm going to talk about the most important decisions of life. Let's take a step to the first one. Number 1. Which job you will get. Job is the vital need to survive, so take it wisely to survive. People tend to see mostly the scope, salary, facilities, trend, working hours and bonuses. But people forget only one thing, that is your choice. Often parents and people underrate it and select a job for their kid as they selected, but later the odd god failed. Do you know why? Because it was not his or her choice. So when you're going to choose a job, when you're going to choose a career for you, so only choose what do you want to do, what makes you happy, your passion, your life, and the most important, that is your self. Never go behind only salaries and income. Just go for yourself, because you are going to choose that job and you are going to work on it. Remember one thing, make your passion as your business and your business will become your passion. Let's take a look at the second one. Who will you marry? Marriage is another need of everyone, but only for human beings. Marriage is not a joke, but most serious step to enter life with a partner. So we should be cautious as we were as to job. When you will marry someone, do not go for just beauty, just looks, but there should be love. First, assure yourself that you really love her or him, and do not get confused, because if you will get confused, you will not be able to do something very well. Take decisions when you will be crystal clear. Do not leave her or him if you think something is wrong. Make it clear first and then decide something, because you cannot leave someone on the behalf of wrong news, fake news or any prejudice. So make it clear, discuss it, then take a decision. Hope you will choose both things in best ways. And best of luck from me for your job and marriage too. Bye bye.